What is Clickbank Initial Dollar Conversion and Average Dollar Conversion? Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So when you log into your account and then click on Affiliate Marketplace, you'll see Initial Dollar Conversion. So Initial Dollar Conversion is the average commission an affiliate earns for each conversion to the seller offer. So it includes commission from any upsells or order bumps that result from the first sale. So if you as an affiliate refer some people and you make them buy something for the first time, then that is what this amount will show. So this number does not include affiliate earnings from any rebill payments of subscription products. So initial dollar conversion is only shown if the seller offers recurring products where you can get a membership and subscriptions. And this amount won't include any rebill payments. So rebill payments is if you refer people to the seller and they make a first purchase and then they decide to renew the purchase and buy it again. So you can see the average dollar conversion is shown on this side. So this includes the number of average conversion that an affiliate earns for each conversion to the seller's offer. So it includes earnings from all sales, and it includes the initial sales, upsells, and the rebilling as well. So that's why most of the time this amount will be more than the initial dollar conversion, because it includes recurring bills as well. So over here, it will include the amount if you refer people to a seller and then they make a first purchase and then they decide to make a subscription or renew the purchase for more than the first time. Then the amount that you'll earn is also included in this average dollar conversion as well. So that's why it's higher. So this is what Clickbank initial dollar conversion and average dollar conversion is. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.